You just ate an entire chicken parm. A whole chicken. Do you have any idea what you've done? It was $20.
Wait until I say go, okay?
I don't even know what to say. You've got to be kidding me.
Really, Layla? You're in big trouble, man.
Yes, dude! Stop! This is. Oh my god!
How did she get so dirty that she brought that onto the couch?
Gigi! Stop!
Oh, you growling at me? Don't show off.
That's what we gonna do? Go back in your crate.
Whoa!
This is my new carpet. It's new! Come on, man! No!
You gonna sit over there now?
Well, this is the thanks I get. I come home to this. He literally ate the door.
Happy birthday.
You take 6 feet back. Back up. Back up. What the hell?
Stop. Oh my god.
Let go. Winnie! Let go. Winnie! Get. Oh my god. Winnie! Let go of my panties! Oh my god! Winnie! Stop! You bad girl!
Raven, leave it. Nope.
You are not going back outside. No, you're not. Hurry up! Open it! Open it! Why not?
Come here. Come here.
Wait, no. 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 Hey! Hey!
Come here. What did you do?
Did you rip up that napkin and eat the cookie that was inside? Let me see those claws. Uh-oh.
No! No!
Excuse me, Daisy. What are you doing to that pillow? Daisy? Answer me.
Bo. Can you explain that?
This is what we came home to tonight. That's Flower. Lulu, look at me.
Nonsense! What did you do?
Get your fucking heads in now!
That! Give me that now!
Oh, no. I come home so I can get y'all behind out and... Oh!
Excuse me? What are you doing? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
I'll get it up to here.
What have you done?
What did you do? Hey, what did you do?
But check this out. No, Cass, don't. Seriously?
Get your tongue off my door.
Okay, Mom, I gotta make sure I wash this.
No, you're not getting dinner. You're bad.
He broke the TV! No!
Lie down. Lie down.
What? Don't touch her. She's not yours to touch. No!
What did you do?
It's the way.